So in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify claims and boost damages for a lawsuit. This is rather straightforward. You're going to pick your state or jurisdiction. I'll pick Ohio because it just came up for me. The number of questions to generate is so our system provides you additional questions that you can ask to help develop claims or boost damages for your particular factual situation. That is after we develop or identify the individual claims. And then what you need to do in order for this to identify claims is provide the actual fact pattern of what happened. This can be very straightforward where it is dog bites a mailman. I'll show you what this looks like. Or it can be incredibly complex, a set of facts that run on for several pages. But I'll show you this here. Very straightforward. Here's 4 words, and we're going to get strict liability, negligence, negligent per se, intentional tort. It's going to give you state, federal, and regulatory causes of action. The reason why I sometimes use this example is because this would be a federal employee, and it's going to recognize that it might be some compensation act that is available to this individual. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to raise every single one of these within a lawsuit, but you do get a good deal of suggestions here from it. Follow-up questions. These are things that are going to matter to help develop claims or damages. Exact date of the incident, probably important for statute of limitations, medical attention, aggressive behavior, violate leash laws. So things that you can request a little bit more. It's that easy. I'll show you a little bit more complicated of a situation. This would be a factual situation between XYZ Development Corporation that buys some land from ABC Holdings and find out later on that there's contamination and there's a big $25 million remediation cost associated with it. So this walks through the facts a little bit more in depth. All you have to do is copy that, as I just did, and then paste it into this section. This is jurisdiction specific, so here I'm going to select Illinois because that's what the example is out of, and we'll pick 3 questions for this one. Submit issue, and again, our system's going to recognize a jurisdiction, and out of that jurisdiction, pull potential causes of action for you. This is really helpful because sometimes there are consumer protection statutes or UDAP, Uniform Deceptive Acts and Practices statutes, that are relevant for a particular state that might not be in other states, and our system will try to find those for you. So here you go based on this: fraud, negligent misrepresentation, breach of contract, Illinois environmental regulations potentially. Gives you an idea to look at those more, constructive fraud, and then you might have some federal causes of action also. Here's CERCLA, Resource Conservatory, citizen suit. You get the idea. With some detailed follow-up questions, these are longer because we're dealing with a more complex situation and we provided more facts, so it's going to provide you more detail that you'd like. So this is how you actually look and identify claims and boost damages with AI.Law.